Okay, so I don't know why I didn't make this video a while back, because it's been several months now since I had this work done to my truck, but I figured I would make a little video and show everybody exactly what the problem was with my truck. I had a pretty good idea. I had all the things replaced that are notorious for failing on a 6.0 and making it not start, but this is what mine had wrong with it. So I had the Y pipe replaced, the EGR deleted, SET fitting, dummy plugs, oil cooler, stand pipes, all the fun stuff. But the culprit of mine was right here. As you can see, that O-ring right there failed completely, and that is why mine would not start, because it would sometimes start when it was cold. It must have just been able to just barely build pressure, but if it was hot at all, it would not start. So that when I drove it to the shop that worked on it, I had to let it sit in my driveway overnight, start it the next day, drive it over there, and then leave it running in his parking lot until he could get it inside, which, I mean, it only took maybe 15 minutes while we were there, and he got it inside and then shut it off. But yeah, that's exactly what was wrong with mine. So I mean, technically he told me he would have done the just the dummy plugs. He would only charge me like, I don't even know, like $150 or $200. So like, I mean, it could have cost me way less money and just done that. But I mean, I just see all the other stuff as like preventative maintenance. But that was the old screen that was on, I think that goes on the oil cooler or the H-pop, or I don't know, something to do with it that I don't even remember anymore. That was, see, these are notorious for failing too, but apparently mine must have had the updated screen, or I'm not sure, but it was still good. But he went ahead and put the new one in anyway. But that's the old oil cooler. It wasn't actually too bad. It probably would have been fine leaving it in, but as you guys can see, I talked about a diesel exhaust leak, and I still don't know. I think maybe that Y pipe is fine. I think they probably just didn't have it sealed good, because that's soot all over that thing, and that is no good. He said the whole engine was covered in soot. It was just it was not sealed at all. Like, whoever had previously worked on it did a horrible job. But it's a good thing that he had an extra one of these laying around, because this is the screen that came with my oil cooler, and it's torn, as you can see. So he didn't want to put that in. He ended up having a spare one around the shop. It is a diesel shop, so I mean, they do have some stuff laying around, but he had them. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video and tell everybody what the exact problem with my truck was. And it was just that stupid little dummy plug. But anyway, had all the other stuff replaced as preventative maintenance, so never bad. But I'm going to get the receipts and show everybody what it ended up all costing me in the end. It was a little bit costly, but it's, like I said, preventative maintenance, so I don't mind spending a little extra money. Alright, back inside here. I just figured I'd show you guys some of the receipts that I got for the parts and the labor and whatnot. So first things first, here we got the standpipe and dummy plug set. That was $130. This is the SET fitting and the IPR valve rebuild kit. That was about $50. This one is the oil cooler, $315. Not very cheap. Let's see here. We got, this was oil, because obviously they had to drain my oil and my coolant. So there was I used Schaefer's 5W40 and the arch oil and oil filter and whatnot. And then this was the shop labor. So we got, let's see here, standpipes, dummy plugs, EGR cooler, delete, wide pipe, high pressure oil pump fitting, oil cooler, rebuild kit for the IPR, and then the other stuff is just a few miscellaneous things, oil filter, oil, manifold gaskets, yep, coolant. And all in all, that bill was $917.05. So, I mean, when you do the math, it all came out to right around, I want to say $1,800 or so, which, you know, isn't horrible, but, you know, it wasn't cheap, that's for sure. But all I have to do now is studs and head gaskets, and the truck's technically got a full bulletproof, so that will definitely be coming in the near future. But anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know, you know, what it all ended up costing me in the end. And so there you have it. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Been doing a lot of new stuff with the truck lately, so stay tuned for more. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.